Today I'm talking about the Porsche 911 Dakar. Off-road upgrades include suspension raised by 2 inches and further can be raised by 1.2 inches thanks for the lift system. And it comes with all-terrain Pirelli Scorpion tires, 19 inches in the front, 20 inches in the back. And brakes are coming from the Carrera S. And the cooling system is coming from the Turbo S. And in terms of exterior livery package, it pays tribute for the 1984 Paris-Dakar winning 911. And it comes with white wheels and racing number decal and other potential exterior upgrades. And of course, you also can have a cool roof-mounted cargo basket as well. Then of course, it's powered by a 3-liter flat-6 twin-turbo producing 473 horsepower and 150 mile top speed, mainly because of its off-road upgrades. And 0 to 60 should be around 3.2 seconds, but it's Porsche, believe me, it's way less than that. And it's of course all-wheel drive, and it's only available with an 8-speed PDK gearbox. And of course, it's only available with 2 seats, and the rear seats are being removed, something you all should know. And then overall, in terms of exterior design, I love how it looks. It looks exotic, it looks sporty, it looks rugged. It's simply perfect. The interior is luxurious, high-tech and sporty, and a dash of ruggedness as well. Now, in terms of prices, this will cost you $223,450. Again, this is before dealer markups. Again, $223,000 plus is a pretty good deal, and they're only going to make a very few of these as well. So it's a classic limited edition as well. So this will have competition from the Lamborghini Huracan, which will have its off-road variant coming soon as well. So thank you very much for joining me on this show.